What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing something to the GT3. Heading down to my buddy Will's shop. Will is the owner of WR Technica. He's also a pro driver. Drives a GT3 just like me, same model. And yeah, so we are going to be installing the KMP steering wheel on the GT3. And should make a hell of a difference. Next events I got coming up is Saturday. I got Button Willow, and should be a lot of fun finally being able to use the steering wheel. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's head over there right now. All right, so I'm here at Will's new shop. I'll go ahead and flip this around. There he is right there. Here we are at the new WR Technica. Will, how big is the shop?
18,000 square feet.
18,000 square feet. This thing's fucking massive. Crazy. Congrats, man.
Thanks, man.
Congrats. You finally can stretch the legs a little bit. I know the last shop was like, you guys were crammed in there real tight, huh?
We're already pretty much crammed.
Yeah.
But within the next few weeks, we have 3 more 2-post lifts coming in.
Yeah.
I have 2 more of my old lifts in the old shop going up right there.
Okay. Yeah.
And we have 4 more 3-car stacker lifts.
Uh-huh.
So you just like stack 3 cars.
Yeah.
On each
For like a
other.
storage type deal.
So
Okay.
Our storage lift over there. I think we'll do our open house probably like sometime mid-October. So
Okay.
hopefully you can make it.
Yeah. Hopefully that would be dope. That would be dope. But you are also getting a KMP wheel installed too, right?
Yep. Yeah, so this one I have, basically all the bells and whistles. This one came, I actually already had this one for a while. So that one we installed on the first batch.
The yellow one?
And then this one, we just been so busy. We didn't mess with ours. So
Nah, I get you.
figured let's have the guys do it on this one.
Yeah.
And then they figure it all out already. So that, boom, now they're doing it on yours.
Exactly. Cool, man. I'm excited. Thank you. So while I was talking to Will, these guys almost already finished up. The easy thing about mine, and I accidentally cut off Will, is that mine just has the horn button. I wanted mine super simple. It has one button that can be programmed. It's blank right there. One button that can be programmed to everything else or anything else. But other than that, I kept it really simple since on the M3, I have the same wheel. I don't really use anything except for the M2 and M1 buttons. So wanted to keep it simple. Also saves a bunch of money on costs because adding each button is almost like $150 to $200. There's my old wheel. Will, let me show you. So all his center console trim's taken out because all those buttons are getting rewired to the actual wheel. So he's got everything here. TC and ESC, sorry. Everything. Here's a little size comparison between the two. Significantly smaller. This is, if you guys don't know, this is kind of like a suede. This is like a genuine Alcantara right here for the Porsche wheels. Quite a bit more force to use to click the paddles on the OEM steering wheel, which is really nice actually. On the M cars, the paddles are so fucking trash. On track, sometimes I accidentally would hit them, but with the KMP, it's not as hard or firm to click the paddle as the Porsche OEM wheel, but it's still a solid click. Like that you've clicked it and it requires actual force. There it is. And I think I still retain the adjustment for the steering wheel. I could be wrong though. Do you know if I can still move the steering wheel in and out? I think so.
I think you should be able to actually.
Yeah, you can. Cool. That is awesome. Wanted to show you guys this real quick. Something that mine doesn't have, but I will eventually get. I'm gonna contact KMP and see if it's something that they offer just individually, but these are tack lights. These 4 lights right there, I think that'll be sick. Some sick ass addition to of the car. Sick ass food. All right, guys, so a little bit of driving time with the wheel, and I must say that this is a definite improvement with the ergonomics of the steering wheel. Honestly, it's smaller in diameter, sorry, in radius and diameter too, but the paddles, we've already discussed that. A more natural feel here, something that I'm used to already with the F80. And KMP quality is just, you know, super top notch. I already took the sticker off that Will had on here. No offense, Will, but I really do love the way the KMP logo looks. I might try to swap out. I'm going to reach out to them and see if they can make a Porsche crest instead of KMP. That would be the ultimate goal. But, I mean, look how it just ties up with the interior. It just looks so nice. The one thing that I wish was a little different was the yellow stitching up here, the yellow stripe. But I've seen guys reupholster these and have that be whatever color they want. So hopefully maybe in the future we can get a red stripe up here. But that'll be it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below. This is not a quick release version. This is just has the spacer. The quick release, I really think, honestly, it's not really necessary. The F80, I rarely use it. The only times I ever take the steering wheel off with the quick release, which you just grab right here, just pull straight out, is when I'm flashing the car and have the laptop in front of me. But that is not necessary. So this saved me about $300, $400 by not having a quick release. And for that alone, I thought, you know what, it's a no-brainer. This button right here is blank, but can get reprogrammed later on. I was talking to Will. Will was telling me he's got one button left blank for push to talk. So eventually that'll be the move when a few of my buddies get comms in their car set up. So that'll be it for this video. Like I said, drop a comment, questions below, whatever you guys want. Please just leave it below. I'll get back to it as soon as possible. Other than that, hope you guys have a good one, and talk to y'all soon. Later.